the update on Titano Finance and some recent highlights. So what is the highlights and updates? Let's read about this. GM Titans, recent highlights in the Titano ecosystem. Play was launched with first draw approaching fast. The calculator is back, allowing you to see how your earning will grow. Titano lottery is coming soon. Now one more great thing regarding Titano crypto, that Titano lottery is coming soon. It will bring a new way to win grand prizes. So this is the great news that Titano lottery is coming soon. So these are the some three recent highlights. And if you haven't followed Titano Finance on Twitter, then please follow them. I'm reading the news again. Play was launched with first draw approaching first. The calculator is back, allowing you to see how your earning will grow. Means from calculator you can see that how your earning is growing, and Titano lottery is coming, and it will bring a new way for you to win grand prizes. So if you want to invest, then please invest in at your own risk at any crypto. And I'm closing the video here. I'm just here to give you some update regarding Titano Finance. Thanks for watching my video.